Hey there, Nick from GQue Barbecue. Thank you so much for purchasing your holiday brisket from us. We already gave you instructions on how to reheat it. Now we're going to show you how to slice it. First, make sure you grab your largest cutting board. You're going to need a lot of surface as these briskets are very large. And then grab a knife. I like to use a serrated knife. It cuts through the brisket, giving you nice even slices. This is a 12-inch Dexter serrated knife. All right, now that you have your brisket on your cutting board, first let's talk about the different muscles of the brisket. So briskets have two different muscles. There is the point, which is going to be a little bit of the fattier piece, but a little more tender. And then there's going to be the flat, which is going to be a little bit more of your leaner brisket. The first step you're going to do is we're going to separate the two muscles. I take about a hand's width or so, and I put my knife firmly there. Using a saw-on motion, I cut the brisket in half. And that's going to separate both the point side of the brisket from the fat. The flat. On the flat, if you would like to keep the fat on there, the fat is going to be where the flavor is at, you can go ahead and start just slicing it. If you're someone that does not like a lot of fat, go ahead and you can just grab your hand and you can just scrape the fat off and then throw that away. Your slices are going to be perpendicular to the grains. You'll be able to see the grains running this way. And so what you're going to do is you're going to start right on this point. You're going to start cutting, I'd say about 1/8 inch slices, using a soft sawing motion going front and back, and that'll give you your nice flat pieces. And as you can see, this is one where I took the fat off. If you, again, like to leave your fat on, do so, and as you make your slices, you'll get a nice even bark all the way around the brisket. And then for the point, you're going to turn it where this open side is faced against you. I like to start right about in the middle point, separate this piece so it's a little bit easier to work with. These ones I'm going to cut just slightly larger. I'm going to get about 1/4 to 1/2 inch slices. And again, nice easy sawing motion. And then what it'll create is these really nice big slices. You can see that little bit of fat. Now this fat is good to eat. It's been rendered down, but you'll get these really nice big slices. So I'm going to go ahead and slice the rest of this side of the brisket. Alrighty, now that you're all done slicing, you should have both of your cuts. You have your little bit fattier but moist point, and then you'll have your lean flat right over here, and you're ready to go.